Hello guys, welcome to Droid Guru and thank you so much for enrolling this course. My name is Janhavi. This course is all about a Firebase which is mobile platform that helps you creating high quality applications. Here we'll see how to use Firebase services in Android application and we are going to create one note application using real-time database and all these services so that you will get clear idea about how we can use these services practically. So let's start with our course content. First we'll see why Firebase is a comprehensive mobile platform. That is advantages and benefits of using Firebase in mobile applications. Then next topic is set up Firebase in your application. Here you will get to know about how to connect a Firebase to Android project. We need to generate one SHA fingerprint and using that fingerprint we'll create one JSON file which is used for a connection between a Firebase and Android project. Then authentication. Authentication service is useful for especially login process. So we can use this service for sign up and login functionalities. If you want to store user specific data in your application, then you can create users in a database with specific IDs using this service. And for login purpose, we can either use email and password login or OTP login. If you want, you can also use Google or Facebook login with Firebase. Then next one is real-time database. Firebase real-time database is a cloud-hosted database where data is stored in a JSON format. So here we'll see how to create this real-time database and how we can store data with multiple nodes. This topic also includes different operations like read, write, update and delete operations on that stored data. Then next topic is Crashlytics. Firebase Crashlytics is we can say more like a crash reporter using which we can easily track and fix stability issues. So it helps for improving application quality. This topic includes how to integrate Crashlytics in your application and we'll also see how we can check these crash reports on the Firebase console. Then Firebase Cloud Messaging. We can say that FCM is a new version of a GCM that is Google Cloud Messaging where we can send messages to all users at no cost. So here we'll study how to use Firebase messaging service for sending messages and also we'll see how to configure and send these messages from Firebase console. So these are all the services provided by Firebase which we can integrate in mobile applications, and here we'll create one note application using all these services and real-time database so that you will get a better idea. This is a complete overview of our course content, and from next lecture we'll see these topics in details.